guys, how are you? It is pumpkin season. It's fall, y'all, and we're doing pumpkin cheesecake bars. I'm using my brownie pan. You can make this in a muffin pan. You could do it in a 9x13 casserole dish, however you want to do it. Very easy, very exciting. It smells ridiculous in here. So the base of it is you oil the bottom of your pan just real quickly. You put these shortbread cookies, pecan sandies, I think they're called. That's your crust for your cheesecake bar. And then you make a mixture, and I used an amazing new product I'm very excited about. And the mixture is basically a bar of cheesecake. No, cream cheese. The cheesecake is part of the cream cheese. A half a cup of sugar. I blended it with our new Flex Prep. Very cool. Then I added a can of pumpkin, pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling, but this bad boy. Okay, I put that in there. 2 eggs, a tablespoon of flour. I actually used almond flour that I made from my almond milk and the pulp from that. And then we have our Cinnamon Plus seasoning back in stock. So load up on this, and you're gonna put a tablespoon of this. Blended it all together and made this amazing mixture that, don't even know if you can see how yummy it looks. You're gonna put a scoop over each cookie. So you take our large scoop and boop. This is gonna bake in an oven, 350. And what I like about it, it already smells good. So I imagine as it's baking, my house is gonna smell even better. And I'm gonna put a crust on top as well, like a crunchy factor. And it's gonna make 12 delicious pumpkin cheesecake bars. I love this season. I'm actually in Florida. I don't know if you guys are having fall weather yet. We are not, but I feel like this might make it happen. I've got some pumpkin happening in the house. Very easy recipe, you guys. Very delicious serving recipe, fun to take to work or fun to take to a church function, anywhere you want to. Not done yet. I actually used these Sandy's shortbreads, and I took some of these out to make the topping, a crumble. So I'm just using the food chopper. You can put them in a baggie and crush them that way too. And then you sprinkle this on top of your bar. Now, this is gonna bake for 20 minutes in a 350 oven, and then you're gonna let it cool. You're gonna take it out. You're gonna make a great little dessert tray, and you're gonna make your family get very excited for fall. All right, you guys, comment below, are you a pumpkin lover or not? I'm just curious. I don't drink pumpkin spice like coffee stuff. I love the smell of it, but I eat everything else pumpkin spice out there, and I'm very excited about this recipe. I will put it in my profile where it says recipe of the week. I'll share the recipe up there in my profile, so if you're curious and you want the exact measurements, you can make your own pumpkin cheesecake bars. All right, you guys, toodaloo, bye.